Hi everyone.
Good afternoon, everybody, or good evening, or good morning, or whenever you're deciding to watch this.
So these nails don't look so great because we just removed a product. We soaked it off with pure acetone, so that's why they look a little dry and
They look a little dry, a little nasty, a little scaly, but it's okay.
Yeah. So yeah, this was 3 weeks later, and we just removed the builder by entity. This one.
Which held up really well.
Which actually, yeah, held up well and removed well. We're gonna link that
video below,
the previous video below.
So make sure to go watch it.
Yeah.
And hit the like button.
Yes, and now we're gonna use this. It's not a new product, but I came across this recently, so it's a new product to me. So it's supposed to be a similar treatment, in my opinion, kind of to an IBX treatment. So it's supposed to kind of soak into the nail and reinforce the nail from within. So looking at the ingredients, I don't have the bottle, but it's HEMA is the first one, which is kind of HEMA, H-E-M-A. So as the first ingredient. So initially, when I watched the videos about this product, one thing that concerned me was that after you've applied the product, you're supposed to kind of like remove the excess, after you cure it, and people were like wiping it into the skin, which is a huge no-no.
You gotta rub the lotions into the skin.
No, it's not a lotion, it's HEMA. Like,
I understand that. I think you missed the quote.
Yeah,
those of you
totally.
who know what that quote's from, please leave a comment down below.
So I'm going to give the nails a quick, very light buff. The reason why, because there could be a tiniest amount of product still on.
Yeah.
And I'm not going to do a manicure first because I don't want any water on the nail plates, because the nails have little channels. They're like little sponges, and when they soak up the water, I have a fear. So we'll see how this is going to seal that edge.
Yeah, what's with that anyways? What happened?
Just separate it a little bit. So yeah, when there is water in the nail plate, nothing else kind of goes in there, right? So we want the nail as dry as possible before application of these products.
Look how long these are.
So the products will soak in. Yeah, and then after this video, I'm going to do another video. We're gonna do a natural nail manicure, and that's going on my private channel. So for those who are
hardcore,
fans of ours,
yes, go over there, check it out, pay some money.
That would like
don't be cheapo.
Pay for the videos. You will see it there. So I'm going to talk about the manicure and how I approach it with my clients and all kinds of interesting
factoids.
Yes, stuff. Okay, so I just wiped it with pure acetone. Sorry, with 99% alcohol, just to clean the surface, and I'm gonna shake
They still
the
look kind of
product.
scary.
Yeah,
I'm scared.
That's good. So we're gonna have we're gonna see. Okay, so let's kind of do this. So for a picture, kind of.
So magnetic. Who are they? I've never heard of them before.
Yeah,
This sounds kind of new. Sounds kind of interesting, and I really hope their product looks or performs better than their advertising.
Yeah. So it's a Dutch product.
Dutch.
European line.
Interesting. Yeah, I seen the pamphlet, and I gotta say, I was a little concerned.
Really?
Yeah, the Photoshop skills were something to be desired.
Aren't you just super nice?
I know.
Okay, so it's I can kind of see right away that this product is nicely soaking in to the nail, right?
Yes. Actually.
So it's kind of like IBX. So you can see right away that the person or the client is going to have good results because the product is soaking in. So it's supposed to soak in. So when the nails are porous, this is what happens. So that's good. That's very good. That means we're going to have results. So,
one would like to think.
Yeah, so this product, you're not going to, it doesn't have any oil like the IBX. And it just...
Look at those.
I deliberately skipped the area around the proximal fold, around the skin, because we don't want this product to flood the skin.
Yes.
So right away, we can cure the product. So we're gonna cure it for 90 seconds.
90 seconds.
In LED.
Yes.
All right. So this goes in here. All right. Okay, so this is 90 seconds. So now, because, oops, we're going to be doing 2 coats. I don't think you're gonna need 3 coats. So because we're gonna be doing 2 coats, you don't have to wipe it with, the prep.
No.
We're just
Now,
going
as
to...
you guys can see, there's no sloshing onto
yeah,
the skin.
so I'm actually,
there's no...
yeah, I'm pulling back the lateral nail folds and just kind of getting the, so I'm gonna now switch the...
kind of scrubbing it in.
Yeah, or off the excess,
Or
right?
that, scrubbing it in, wiping it off, whatever you're doing.
I'm gonna throw this away.
Throwing away.
And...
oh, that looks so much healthier.
I know, huh?
Oh, wow.
Oh, they do.
They do.
So now we're gonna do the second coat, and I think this is going to be enough. I don't think you're gonna need 3. So we'll see if this is going anywhere. It's not soaking in. So funny thing, I did my nails. I removed my gel polish last week, and because I wanted to try this product as well. But I couldn't stand the gel polish anymore, so I removed it a week before I got this product. So, okay, we're gonna cure it again for 90 seconds. Here. This one goes in.
We need to shift things a little bit. There we go.
Yes, so I removed my gel polish like a week before I got this product. So, what I did was I kind of couldn't help it, but I did IBX treatment on my nails because, you know, they were a little...
because you're impatient that way.
In need. They were in need. They were like a little... because I test everything on my
I'd say
nails.
you're impatient. You just want something on your nails.
Yes, so I did IBX treatment. And then I wore the Dazzle Dry. And funny enough, the product lasted perfectly for a week. And then I received this product. So I took it off and I tried to do this. And you know what? It's funny because the nails were not soaking in the product. Like it was sitting on top, like almost like being repelled from the nail. So my thinking is that the IBX was
stop this stuff from...
yeah, which is, that's what it's supposed to do, yeah. So excellent. The IBX was still there.
So it's doing its job. Ooh.
Shocking, huh?
Shocking.
But no, it was working. So
cool.
These treatments, I think, and it's the same with IBX. I can tell right away when a client, like sometimes I have a new client that is complaining of her nails are chipping or they're breaking or something, and I do the IBX treatment, and you can see that when you put on the first one, the repair, the product is not going anywhere. It's just sitting on top, and it's like not soaking in. And then when you have a long-term gel polish client or a person with surface damage on top of the nails, when you put the product in, it soaks in and goes matte right away. So it's interesting. So you can tell right away when you apply the product if it's going to work or not. Okay, right. So you know what, I made a mistake. So this was supposed to be wiped with the prep and wipe, which, I mean, not a huge mistake, but the product kind of goes hand in hand apparently.
Oh. Yeah,
so this is prep and wipe from Magnetic as well, but also this is alcohol. This is 2 ingredients. Where is, okay, here. It's isopropyl alcohol and ethyl acetate. So they're both solvents. Very good solvents. So now we're gonna remove this because we're not gonna do a third coat because this is already kind of looking like it's had enough. So we'll see. So again, I'm gonna keep it off. I'm gonna see if the third coat is gonna go somewhere. Again, you see, like I'm not overlapping the skin. I'm not rubbing it everywhere. I'm gonna do this twice. No, that's scary, guys, because once a person develops allergic reaction.
Wait, are we doing?
I'm just gonna wipe it again.
Okay.
It's
they
permanent.
look, honestly, they look really good though.
Right? So I really like, to be honest with you, the IBX sometimes it sounds like it's such a miracle. In my opinion, it's not. but it does have its place, and you do see results, especially if you use it right after the removal of the product. It really kind of nicely seals the nail. Okay, so there we go. We should have taken like a better before and after picture. Right? Okay,
well,
but let's just
okay.
see. Let's just see the third coat. Let's
Of
just see if
course,
this is going.
I knew that was going to happen.
You know what? It's kind of, yeah, I feel that it is going somewhere. That's okay.
It's going somewhere?
Yeah, it's going into the nail.
Interesting. All right, that's number three.
So that's number
In
three.
we go.
And then give me this one.
We should leave this one with 2 and then just compare.
Or you just don't want a third coat. I can read your mind. I was right. Let's see this one. Okay, so let's just dry. Let's just use the dry wipe first.
I thought we had to use the Thingerdoodle.
No, we don't. The alcohol thing has to be used at the very end to really clean the nail, but in between applications, you just dry clean it.
Dry clean.
So dry clean it. Well,
Dry cleaning.
that didn't make much sense, but you know what I mean. Dry wipe it or something. I kind of like wiping it with alcohol. I guess because I'm so used to the IBX, where you wipe it with alcohol each time. But then you heat it up, so I don't know. Is this another 30 seconds of this? So this whole kind of treatment, I would say it takes about 15 minutes at the maximum.
Yeah.
Okay, this one.
Just finished up.
Perfect. So we're gonna wipe it again.
Using the prep and wipe?
So yeah, I think as this, like if you do a second treatment 2 weeks later or something, you could probably really do 1 or 2 applications of this. Okay, so whoever is interested in a basic manicure video with everything kind of explained, let me know in the comment section. And I will definitely, we'll do the video and we will edit it and you will be able to see it. I'm gonna wipe it again on my private channel. So if you wanna sign up to it, oops. I would really appreciate the support.
Mm-hmm.
And we're gonna manicure these nails.
Yes, these talons.
Mm-hmm. They actually, you know, considering that we've been doing the gel polishes for like a year and different builders and stuff. Yeah,
It's been longer than a year now.
Mm-hmm. It needs 90 seconds of 2 minutes. Okay. Okay, so let's wipe this one twice. I don't think we're gonna see a big difference between these two. I'm gonna wipe again,
Yeah, there
just
doesn't,
to make sure.
My nails look like there's nothing on them, nothing in them. They look nice.
Yeah, I really like these treatments when people are switching to natural nail manicures. It just kind of gives that little boost.
A little boost.
Mm-hmm.
Natural nail manicure. Kind of scared.
You're scared?
I'm scared. Scared I'm going to start chewing.
Oh.
It's kind of
yeah, we're gonna do like a one
kind of my heroin
clear coat.
addiction, I guess.
Yeah, we're gonna do a clear coat. Okay, so we will discuss all this in my next video, in our next video, and the link is below. Okay, so let me know what you guys think about this. What do you guys think about this treatment? If you've tried the IBX, if you've tried this treatment. Let us know what you think.
And please don't forget to
subscribe and everything else.
Yeah, please subscribe. Please hit that bell notification button, the like button. Do not hit the dislike button. If you happen to have hit the dislike button, just click it again. Click it again.
Clickety-glick.
Clickety-glick it again. And you know what? Be awesome. Be good to each other. We will see you in the next video.
And. The product is available in Europe, I don't know where, but in Canada it's available from Nadia Beauty. So this is not sponsored. She didn't tell me to make this video or anything. But in case you're interested, I will link the distributor. Please don't move below. Okay, this is it for me. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Ciao.